शुक्रारा गोय राज्य वर्ल्ड वेटलँड अधिकरणान वर्ल्ड वेटलँड दीस दोनापावला मनयलो. सस्टेनेबल डेव्हलपमेंट विशय हो ह्या कार्यावळीचो मुखेल हेतू आशिल्लो. ही कार्यावळ नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ ओशिनोग्राफीन दोनापावला आयोजित केल्ली. RDX गोवा खातीर दोनापावलाच्यान महेंद्र गांवकार.
About 40 to 50% of the vegetables and fisheries to the Calcutta is going from this wetland alone. So you can imagine how these wetlands are important for human being, for the urban culture and all those things. The human settlement have developed around wetlands, keeping in view the accessibility of water as well as their moderating influence on the local climate. Rapid population growth and expansion of these urban interests in past few decades has directly affected the vital linkages between these wetlands and their catchment, resulting in drastic changes in the quality and quantity of water reaching the lakes. All kind of urban waste find their way into the wasteland, causing their shrinkages and severe pollution.
Associating ourselves with a global initiative on the wetlands, creating awareness about the wetlands. Wetlands are a holistic ecosystems, a complete food webs. It's not what we see over and above, animal grazing around or predators around that grazers or the birds and all that. There are a lot of fauna and flora which is not visible, and wetlands provide them a protected area. A protected area where the many times, particularly from the fish point of view, it provides the areas for the juveniles to survive, escape from predators, which they may find in the big rivers. So after the breeding, it plays a great role in the fisheries for recruitment of the populations. So from fisheries point of view, we are still dependent on the wild for our consumption.
Goa State Wetland Authority has for the first time celebrated World Wetland Day 2018 in the state of Goa, and under the chairpersonship of Shri Manohar Bhai Parrikar. He is a chairman of Goa State Wetland Authority. On this day, we had a presence of BMC chairpersons and members across the state. It was a very interactive program extended throughout the day, where there were deliberations on the wetlands of Goa, the role of BMCs in identification of wetlands of Goa, how can we go ahead, and more importantly, we had a session on forest ecosystems associated with the wetlands of Goa by Principal Chief Conservator Ajay Saxena Sahab. Then we also had Dr. Kuldeep Lal from National Bureau of Fish Genetic Resource, ICAR, who presented a list of invasive species and also alien species of fish and how we have to take care of that. And finally on economics of ecosystems, and that was very interesting, interactive sessions in between, a lot of deliberations, and people have assimilated a lot of knowledge in this. So we are very happy that this is the beginning, and every year the state will observe the day. More important is the people's participation in protection of wetland and upholding the theme of protection of urban wetlands.